What is a modal in web design? A beginner's guide to pop-up perfection. When you visit a website and a small window suddenly appears on top of the page, asking you to sign up for a newsletter, confirm an action, or read an important message, you've just encountered a modal. Modals are among the most common and effective UI elements in modern web design. When used correctly, they enhance user experience by drawing attention to key information or actions. But when used poorly, they can quickly frustrate visitors. Let's explore what modals are, why they matter, and how to use them wisely. What exactly is a modal? A modal, short for modal window, is a user interface element that appears on top of the main content, temporarily disabling interaction with the rest of the page until the user takes an action, like closing the modal or submitting a form. Think of it as a focused layer that demands the user's attention. The background usually dims or blurs to emphasize the modal's content, ensuring the user knows where to look. Common uses of modals. Modals are versatile and can serve many purposes in web design, such as sign-up or subscription forms, prompt users to join a mailing list or create an account, confirmation dialogues, confirm before deleting a file, logging out, or submitting a form, alerts and notifications, display important messages like errors, updates, or warnings, image or video previews, show media in a focused, larger view without leaving the page, onboarding tips, introduce features or explain next steps for new users. Why designers use modals? The main advantage of modals is focus. They remove distractions and keep the user's attention on one key action. A well-designed modal simplifies decision-making, speeds up user interactions, keeps users on the same page. No need for redirects. Increases conversions when used strategically, like capturing emails or confirming purchases. Best practices for using modals. While modals can be powerful, overusing them, or designing them poorly, can ruin the experience. Here are some golden rules. Use them sparingly. Only show a modal when the message or action truly requires the user's focus. Make it easy to close. Always provide a clear X button or allow clicking outside the modal to close it. Keep it simple. Focus on one key message or action per modal. Be mobile friendly. Ensure the modal scales and functions properly on all screen sizes. Mind accessibility. Use ARIA roles and allow keyboard navigation for inclusive design. Good versus bad modal design. Good example. A modal that appears after a user has browsed for a while, offering a discount in exchange for an email address. Bad example. A modal that pops up instantly on page load, blocking content before the visitor can even see what the site is about. Timing and intent are everything. Modals are powerful tools in a web designer's toolkit, but they demand thoughtful use. A well-timed, well-crafted modal can guide users smoothly through a process or boost engagement. On the other hand, an intrusive or unnecessary one can drive visitors away. When in doubt, keep it simple, purposeful, and user-first. That's the secret to pop-up perfection.